Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gemini your default assistant on Android. First, open your Android device's settings. Then, scroll down and find the Apps or Applications menu. Once you're there, look for an option like Default Apps or choose Default Apps and tap on it. This is the crucial first step to customizing your device's assistant experience. Next, within the Default Apps menu, you'll need to find the Digital Assistant app or Assistant App setting. Tap on this option, which usually displays your current default assistant. A list of all compatible assistant applications installed on your phone will then pop up, giving you several choices for your preferred helper. From the list of available assistant apps, simply tap on Gemini to select it. Your device might ask you to confirm this change with a quick pop-up message. Just tap OK or Confirm. With that simple action, Gemini is now officially set as your default digital assistant, ready to respond to your commands and questions. To test your new setup, simply press and hold your phone's power button or say, "Hey Google." Gemini should now respond, confirming your successful change. You can now enjoy Gemini's advanced AI capabilities, offering more personalized assistance and a richer interactive experience right from your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.